pursued by some agents who mean this great country ill. It is imperative I meet with the Prime Minister by noon tomorrow. They will have me dead before I do so. Therefore, I beg you, please, when I release my hand, do not make a sound. I must ask you to think again about that great country we call England. At this moment, you hold the safety of it in your hands. Do you understand? Do you promise not to scream? It is of the utmost importance that you remain calm.
Excuse me, miss. Is everything all right? I thought I heard screaming.
Oh, yes, I'm fine. How are you, darling?
What? Oh, splendid, thank you. Thank heavens you saw the truth of my game.
I could have sworn I heard screaming, miss.
Really? Perhaps it's coming from the next compartment.
I really must ask you, miss, what you are doing.
Inspector, I must confide in you. I admit I caused this young lady some alarm, but you see, I'm being followed by agents of a hostile foreign power. The peace of this great nation of ours rests almost entirely in my hands. I must be in London by noon tomorrow. Can I trust you in this momentous hour?